Hi, here's Yanis again from AppGeeker's channel. Is your iPhone not turning on? Take it easy. I'm going to explain the reasons why your iPhone won't turn on and how to get your iPhone IM running again. First, let's take a look at some symptoms when your iPhone won't turn on. Your iPhone randomly turns off and does not turn back on. Your iPhone starts on black screen and doesn't respond. The battery is draining out or worn out. That makes your iPhone turns off and does not turn on anymore. Perhaps the display is broken or the power button is not working, then you fail to power on your phone. Even worse, your iPhone suffers from water damage and a replacement is needed. So you see, the cause of an iPhone that won't turn on can fall into 4 aspects: software glitches, drained battery, physical damage, and water damage. The first thing you can do yourself is force restart your iPhone. Don't worry, this doesn't erase your data but just refresh iPhone's memory and get rid of any software issues that may cause the iPhone not to turn on. I will show you in different phones, but let's start with the iPhone 6s. Force restart iPhone 6 and other earlier phones, you need to hold down home button and the power button at the same time, and after 10 seconds or so, an Apple logo appears on the screen. Release the buttons and let your iPhone finish the boot process. In iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold both volume down button and the side buttons until the Apple logo shows up. Now force restart iPhone 8, 10, 10s, 10R, 11, 12 or newer models. Press and release volume up button, press and release volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. You wait until it fully boots up. If a forced restart didn't fix your problem, your iPhone may run out of power and need to be charged. Use original USB cable and wire adapter to fully plug your iPhone into the power source. Leave it charged for at least 30 minutes. After that, whether your iPhone shows the charging screen or not, repeat step 1 to do a forced restart while it's plugged in. If your iPhone won't charge, you need to check your USB cable, charging ports, and adapter. Or go to Apple Store to test the battery, and if necessary, replace the battery. We have a guide on fixing the charging issue, and the link is in the description below. Well, get back to the point. Your iPhone still doesn't turn on and doesn't respond, right? That doesn't mean your iPhone is totally broken. It's possible that the software or firmware become crashed. To fix the issue, iOS System Recovery Tool is a good solution. It can detect and deal with any kind of iOS system problems and help getting your iPhone turned on without requiring a factory reset. It also works if your iPhone starts on a black screen or starts on restore screen, also called connect to iTunes screen. The download link is in the description below. Let's see how it works. So launch the software on your computer. Click More Tools. Click iOS System Recovery. Click Start. Now connect your iPhone to your computer. Once it's connected, choose Standard Mode. It's good enough for minor software problem. Click Confirm. Now select an iOS firmware for your iPhone and download it instantly. Wait for the download to finish. And once done, click Fix to remedy the issue. With any luck, you should fix iPhone that won't turn on as expected. If it's not turned on and shows the iTunes screen like this, you could also enter recovery mode, then update or restore the iPhone. Connect your iPhone to computer. Launch iTunes or Finder, then put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or newer models, press and release volume up button. Do the same for the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Now in iTunes or Finder, you will get the option to update or restore your iPhone. Click Update to reinstall the iOS. If you have to choose Restore, make sure you back up your iPhone in the first place, as the process will delete your data completely. You may also hear about the DFU restore, but most of the time you don't have to do that. The final step is to determine if the hardware problems are the causes. Check the display, power button, and internal components. They could be malfunctioning by water damage or physical damage. Contact Apple support or bring your iPhone to the Apple Store for personal inspection. Make sure to making an Apple Genius appointment before you go. Okay, that's all about why your iPhone not turning on and how to fix the power issue. Hopefully your iPhone turns on and is working as normal. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know which method works for you down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more great iPhone videos. Thanks for watching.